Hi everyone, in this video we are making this beautiful internal gear from scratch. We'll be working through the entire process and you can clearly witness all the machining techniques we use. Let's begin now. This is the sample gear we received from the customer. You can see that the inner teeth are partially worn and several teeth have lost their original profile. We'll use this sample for dimensions, tooth count and reference while making the new part. We use mild steel as the material. Since low carbon steel is softer than many other gear making alloys, after machining the gear teeth must be case hardened. The bow in the stock was cut earlier using a flame cutter. Because of the heat, the edges around the bow become slightly hard, which can make internal spine cutting process more difficult. For that reason, the flame cut bow was kept much smaller than the final size, so we had to bow it a little bit much to remove the hardened layer. Now the internal teeth cutting begins on the slotting machine. The workpiece is carefully centered in the chalk so the teeth are cut evenly all around. This is the tool we use for cutting the internal splines. The cutting edge is made of high-speed steel and welded onto the tool holder. The tooth shape is matched directly to the customer's sample instead of using module calculations. The tool is then shaped carefully on the grinder so the profile fits the original gear. We do some light finishing cuts and machine the profile. These passes remove the remaining marks from early operations and bring the part to its final clean shape. Now the part is almost complete. The next step is drilling the PCD holes on the milling machine. These holes are positioned on the pitch circle so the gear can be mounted correctly on the machine it belongs to. This is the final result. The internal teeth are finished, the PCD holes are drilled, and the profile is complete. We have taken the worn sample and produced a new functional internal gear. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy machining builds like this, make sure to subscribe and let me know what you would like to see next.